This is HDT Times bringing news from campus buzz to the world. I am Diya Kaushik and here's what making headlines. Nation celebrates Mahavir Jayanti with traditional devotion. Trump suspends tariff except on China. India clinches bronze at Archery World Cup. Here is a detailed look at our stories. Mahavir Jayanti is being observed across the country today with traditional devotion and fervor. The President and Vice President have extended their greetings to the people, emphasizing the role and relevance of Lord Mahavir's teaching of non-violence, truth and compassion in today's world. Let's explore the report. Today, the nation celebrates Mahavir Jayanti with devotion and enthusiasm. The auspicious occasion marked the birth anniversary of Lord Mahavir, the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. The President and Vice President greeted citizens, urging everyone to follow Lord Mahavir's timeless principles of ahimsa, truth and harmony for a better society. Bureau Report, HDT Times. Former US President Donald Trump has paused tariff for 90 days in all the countries excluding China. The decision came after the concern of a potential global recession and bond market panic. Let's delve deeper into the news. In a surprising move, Donald Trump has announced a 90-day suspension of tariffs on all the countries except China. He attributed this decision to growing concerns over the stability of US bond markets and global economy. In response, China increased its tariffs to 125%, citing a lack of respect in market. Trump stated that the pause came from the hurt amidst internal pressures to address economic issues. Wall Street reached positively with major indices posting significant gains. Additionally, India is expected to benefit from this pause, gaining valuable times for trade negotiations. Bureau Report, HDT Times. Let's pause for a short break. We will be right back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back. Here is what next in the news. India's men compound archery team won a bronze medal at Archery World Cup 2025 in Auburndale, USA. The trio of Rishabh Yadav, Abhishek Verma and Ojas Deotale defeated Denmark in the bronze medal match. Let's have a full coverage of this achievement. India begins its 2025 Archery World Cup campaign with the bronze in men's compound team event. Rishabh Yadav, Abhishek Verma and Ojas Deotale defeated Denmark by 230-223 after a previous win over Guatemala and a semi-final lose to Italy. Deepika Kumari and Anatu Das are still competing in the recurve category. The World Cup consists of 4 stages, culminating in a finale for the top 8 in each category. Bureau Report, HDT Times. This is the wrap-up of today's bulletin. HDT Times bid you goodbye for now. See you soon with more important news.